This is Brava, a $995 smart countertop oven. Brava cooks with what the company calls pure light technology. 6 lamps inside the oven use a mix of visible and non-visible light to cook dishes. That infrared energy transfers heat to the food directly rather than heating the air inside the oven cavity. That means faster cooking times and the ability to skip preheating altogether. The Brava oven includes a touchscreen where you can select from menus of meal kits, Brava suggested protein and vegetable combinations, or the oven's index of common ingredients. Cooking multiple foods in the Brava oven means following Brava's rules. Each of your foods needs to be placed in one of these specific zones you see here, numbered 1, 2, and 3, in order to cook them at the right temperature. Brava includes a probe thermometer with 5 detection points to let the oven know when your food is ready. That same thermometer doubles as a measuring device to tell Brava the thickness of proteins like chicken or steak. You can watch your food cook in real time from the oven's touchscreen or in the Brava app, where you can also save recipes and order additional meal kits or ingredients. The Brava meal kits I tested were tasty and generously portioned, but be prepared to spend big. Kits are sold individually, not as a subscription, and a 2-person meal is expensive. This one here with hanger steak and sweet potatoes costs $45, and that feels like a lot to pay for food you prepare yourself. These kits involved a lot of prep work on my end, like chopping vegetables and seasoning meat. It's cool to cook your meat and veggies at the same time in the same tray and watch it on your phone. However, if you don't want to do the legwork to get your meal kits ready, Brava might not be for you. In fact, I'm not sure who it is right for. Brava isn't as smart as the food-recognizing June oven or as simple as Tovala's meal kits. For now, I'd recommend going with one of those smart ovens before shelling out the cash for Brava.